going to share one of don't or what to avoid in online. So, this is all about spreading rumors. So, spreading rumors refers to the act of sharing unverified or false information, stories, or statements that may or may not be true without confirming their accuracy. So, these rumors are often circulated to gain popularity, hurt others, or incite fear and mistrust. So, ang sabi, huwag daw po tayo magkalat ng mga chismis o mga di makatotohanang bagay dahil maaari tayo makasakit ng kapwa. So, mga marites, kaway-kaway dyan. So, pero alam naman natin na may mga taong di maiwasang magkalat ng mga di tunay na impormasyon para lamang maging sikat o kaya mga pabida. So, yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
And for sensitive transaction, avoid using public Wi-Fi for online banking or other sensitive transaction to minimize the risk of data interception. For tone, when using social media for professional purposes, maintaining a professional tone and avoid sharing overly professional information.